Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, we're talking about the key to inner peace and how to grow up spiritually. I call it God's Hour. God's Hour is the most important event in the day. It may consist of, 30 minutes or longer, according to your need, but it should not be less than that if you really mean business in your spiritual life. God's hour is the time in which you read your Bible or any other spiritual books you may have, or you meditate and pray to the Supreme Source. The practical secrets of health, happiness, and prosperity, and of constant spiritual growth is to make God's hour the principal, which is to say, the most important event of the day. Let that be the center line, as it were, around which all other activities revolve. Let anything else be postponed or omitted rather than that God's hour be neglected. Let any other engagement be cancelled in favor of this. Let any other work go undone rather than this should be missed. You remember Mary and Martha? All right. God's hour need not be held at the same time every day, although it will be helpful if this can be done, in order to keep the momentum going. The essential thing is that God's hour be the most important event in the 24 hours and that everything else be secondary to that. Very important for your spiritual growth. Okay, and I'm going to leave you with a little prayer. I call it a prayer treatment which you can modify, for yourself if you so choose to use it during your time you spending with God. It says, "Grant me courage born of your strength and the peace which surpasses all understanding. Fill my mind with clarity and my soul with hope, that I may walk boldly, upheld by your grace. I surrender my worries into your hands, trusting in your perfect will and unyielding love. And with a heart full of gratitude, I proclaim your faithfulness now and forevermore. So mote it be." So step into your power today, folks. Begin your inner journey to true peace and abundance in God's own wonderful way.